Have a shot of your favorite drink. Which drink do you prefer to drink as a shot? These 2.25 ounces shot glasses are ideal for all kinds of spirits and liquors, including Jagermeister, tequila, vodka, whiskey, rum, Irish cream, as well as apéritifs and digestifs. Bottoms up. Stackable, space-saving design. These shot glasses have a practical stackable design, so you can carry them around with safely and store them in your kitchen cabinets with ease. In other words, the stackable glasses are going to help you save space. Premium quality tempered glass. These shot glasses are made with premium quality tempered glass, thanks to which they are resistant to breakage, chipping and dishwasher wear. So feel free to use and wash the shot glasses daily. Wash in the dishwasher without any fear. Shot glasses are crystal clear and they make any shot look refreshing. And don't worry, the dishwasher will not stain the walls of the glassware drinking glasses, nor will it make them cloudy. Top reviews from the United States. The best Montessori glasses. Like many people reviewing this product, I bought these for my 1-year-old to use at meals. They are just the perfect little glasses for this purpose. The shape is very easy for her to grip with 2 baby hands. She learned to drink from them without getting it down her front after maybe 3 or 4 days of trying them out. I can tell she prefers drinking from them over her sippy cup. They've dropped a couple of times on carpet but not broken. I think they'd make a weird-looking shot glass, but they're a great bargain for this sideways use.